You are going to love 2021 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, trip odometer, clock, compass, power brakes, battery saver, cargo area light, airbags, push button start, retained accessory power, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. Come take a test drive today.